Utrust is revolutionizing the way we handle digital payments by offering a streamlined, secure, and transparent platform for cryptocurrency transactions. Designed for both merchants and consumers, Utrust provides the tools needed to accept and make payments in various cryptocurrencies, while enjoying the speed and security of blockchain technology. To get started, visit the Utrust platform and create an account. Registration is straightforward, requiring only your email address and a secure password. Once signed in, you'll find an intuitive dashboard that allows you to manage your transactions, monitor your balance, and configure your account settings. Merchants can integrate Utrust seamlessly with their websites or online stores, using tools like APIs and plugins for popular e-commerce platforms. This makes it incredibly easy to accept payments in cryptocurrencies, without the technical complexity often associated with blockchain solutions. For consumers, Utrust simplifies the payment process by offering a secure wallet and flexible options for transactions. With built-in protection mechanisms, Utrust ensures that buyers can shop with confidence, knowing their funds are secure and transactions are transparent. Mid-review. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Returning to Utrust, the platform also supports multi-currency transactions and real-time conversion rates, which means users can pay or accept payments in their preferred cryptocurrency, while merchants receive funds in their chosen fiat currency. This flexibility eliminates the risks of price volatility often associated with digital assets. Utrust transaction fees are highly competitive, and the platform is built with user experience in mind, ensuring every process, from sign-up to payments, is smooth and efficient. Additionally, Utrust offers robust security features, including end-to-end encryption and advanced fraud detection systems, which safeguard both parties in a transaction. The platform also provides detailed analytics and reporting tools for merchants, enabling them to monitor their performance and make data-driven decisions. Ready to dive deeper into Utrust and its benefits? Don't miss out on the chance to explore the future of digital payments. Subscribe to the channel now and hit that like button for more in-depth crypto platform reviews and tutorials.